If you are still using Excel to track your projects, manage your inventory, or collect customer information, you are actively losing money. I know, because I used to be that person. I had a spreadsheet for everything. And you know what happened? Data got overwritten. People forgot to update their rows, and my final version 8 Reeled Excel SX became a complete nightmare. In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely eliminate this chaos. I'm going to show you how to turn your dead static spreadsheet into a living, breathing, automated custom app in exactly 5 minutes. Before we build, let's talk about why spreadsheets fail businesses in 2026. Number 1, no process control. You can't build an approval workflow in a spreadsheet. If someone needs to approve an expense, they just change a cell color to green. That's not a process, that's a mess. Number 2, the mobile experience is terrible. Have you ever tried to update a massive spreadsheet on your phone while on the go? It's completely and utterly impossible. And 3, data silos. Your spreadsheet doesn't talk to your email, your Slack, or your CRM. It just sits there, but it doesn't have to be this way. So let's fix it. I'm using a platform called Jodoo. Watch this. I have this messy employee onboarding Excel file. I'm going to click Import from Excel in Jodoo. I map the columns, hit Import, and boom. In seconds, Jodoo has turned my flat data into a structured database. But it gets better. Look at this mobile view. Now, when a new employee joins, HR doesn't send them a spreadsheet. They send them this clean, mobile-friendly form. They fill it out on their phone, and the data goes straight into our secure database. Now let's add some magic, automation. I'm going to set up a rule. When a new employee is added, automatically send a welcome email and notify the IT department on Slack to set up their laptop. Try doing that in Excel. Finally, as a manager, you don't want to look at rows of data. You want insights. With Jodoo, I just click over to the dashboard builder. I drag in a pie chart to see employees by department. I add a bar chart for onboarding status. Instantly, I have a real-time professional dashboard that updates automatically every time someone submits that mobile form. It is time to upgrade the way you work. Stop doing manual data entry and start automating your business. I've put a link in the description below where you can start using Jodoo for free. I've also included the exact template I used in this video so you can import your own data right now. Click the link, ditch the spreadsheet, and I'll see you inside.